Can you tell if 7,524 divides by 4 without doing long division? Today you will learn quick tricks to check divisibility in seconds. Let's begin. A number is divisible by another if it divides exactly with no remainder. 12 divides by 3 perfectly, but 13 does not. Divisibility tests help us check this quickly. First, the easy rules. A number divides by 2 if it ends in an even digit, by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5, by 10, 50 or 100, just check the last digits. For 3, add the digits. If the sum divides by 3, so does the number. For 4, check the last 2 digits. 6 combines 2 and 3. 12 combines 3 and 4. Worked example 1. Is 7,524 divisible by 4? Look only at the last 2 digits, 24. We just need to check this small part. 24 divided by 4 equals 6 exactly. So 7,524 is divisible by 4. Quick and easy, no long division needed. Worked example 2. Is 8,316 divisible by 6? 6 means we test for 2 and 3. First, the last digit is 6, even, so it passes 2. Now sum the digits. 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 equals 18. 18 divides by 3. Both tests pass, so 8,316 divides by 6. Common mistake. Many students think any number ending in 0 divides by 4. Wrong. 450 ends in 50, but 50 does not divide by 4. Always check the actual last 2 digits. Memory aid. Last, sum, last 2, combine. Last digit for 2, 5 and 10. Sum digits for 3. Last 2 digits for 4 and 25. Combine rules for 6 and 12. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.